Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I have a great recipe for dinner for you today. I buy 3 tablespoons of oil in my pot. I add my 350 grams minced meat and roast it. One onion that I chopped on the roasted minced meat. I add 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper. And I confuse it like this. Then add the stubble that I chopped to 3 teeth and I'm roasting well. I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and roast in the same way. I add to tomatoes and spices that I chopped. I used black pepper flakes and salt as a spice. I'm confused like this. I put 1½ cups of hot water. I'm closing the cover. I cook my vegetables until they soften. On the other hand, for sorting eggplants, I buy 1/4 tea glass of oil in the pot. I chop 3 cubes. I add the eggplants that I soak in salt water. Sauté the eggplants for 5 minutes. The oil must have warmed up. I occasionally turn it upside down and fry it lightly. Eggplants after light blushing. I pour the minced meat mortar I prepared on it. I spread it with a spoon. If the water is low, you can add very little water. I close the lid and cook my food on low heat for 10 minutes. Our eggplant dish is ready. You can serve it when it goes to the first heat. Good luck to the friends who will try. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.